Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I want to open a bank account.
Sure. Do you want a savings account or a current account?
I'm not sure. What's the difference?
A savings account is for personal savings with interest. A current account is for businesses with no interest.
I'd like to open a savings account.
Great. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here's my ID.
Thank you. Do you also have a passport-size photo?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Perfect. You also need to fill out this application form.
All right. Can you help me with the form?
Of course. Let's start with your name.
My name is Jessica Simpson.
And your date of birth?
It's August 12, 1990.
Great. What is your address?
123 Park Street, Springfield.
Thank you. Do you have a phone number?
Yes, it's 987-654-3210.
That's good. What is your occupation?
I'm a teacher.
All right. Do you have any nominee for this account?
Yes, my husband, Simpson.
Please provide he details.
His full name is Simpson Smith, and his date of birth is January 20th, 1988.
Got it. What is her relationship to you?
He is my husband.
Thank you. You need to sign here.
Where should I sign?
Right here, in this box.
Okay.
Do you want an ATM card for your account?
Yes, please.
Do you prefer a checkbook as well?
Yes, that would be good.
All right. Do you want internet banking?
Yes, I would like that.
Great. Please write your email address.
It's jessica.simpson@email.com.
Thank you. Do you have any other accounts with us?
No, this will be my first account.
Okay. How much do you want to deposit initially?
I will deposit $500.
That's fine. You can deposit it at the cash counter.
Do I need to deposit it now?
Yes, you need to deposit it to activate your account.
All right.
Here's the deposit slip.
Thank you. Where is the cash counter?
It's just to your left.
Okay, I'll go there.
Once you deposit, bring back the receipt.
Sure, after deposit money.
Here's the receipt. Thank you. Your account is now active.
Great.
Your account number is 12345678890.
Can you write it down for me?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
Your debit card and checkbook will arrive in 7 to 10 days.
Can I collect them from the bank?
Yes, or we can mail them to your address.
I'll collect them from the bank.
All right. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all.
If you have any questions later, feel free to call us.
Sure, I will.
Here's our brochure with more information.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.